I see. Is that? Yes! It's Jeanette Durrell, returning from Nashville, Tennessee to entertain us and support the All-American Christmas Show, as she has done so many times in the past. Let's welcome Jeanette Durrell!
Thanks, Jackson. It's great to be here. Oh, kids! Perfect timing. We're going to take a sleigh ride. Would you like to join me? Oh, come on, let's go. It's not snowing outside, but we can pretend. Your horse is right here. Watch him. Come on. Let's get that bouncing going. Just hear those sleigh bells tune. Ring, ting, ting, ring, too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's look the show. We're riding in Wonderland of snow. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, friends, just hold your hand. We're riding along the song of the winter is merry, and our cheeks are nice and rosy, and some close your feet. We snuggle close together like the birds of a feather would be. Let's take that rope before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Come on! There's a birthday party at the home farmer Gray. The perfect day to love on a perfect day. We'll sing this song, let's sing it loud and sing will stop. At the fireplace we will watch the kettle pop. Pop, 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 it's a happy feeling, nothing in this world goodbye. Let's pass around the pumpkin and love pumpkin pie. It'll really like a picture print by Curly or alive. These wonderful things are the things we'll remember all through our lives. These wonderful things we'll remember all through our lives. Come on, kids, let's go. We're gonna take another trip to memory lane. Michigan. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's go. We're riding in Wonderland of snow. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand. Just hold your hand. We're riding along with the song of a wintry fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy cozy are we. We snuggle close together like the birds of a feather would be. Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Come on, let's go! Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you, you and you and you and you. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. And you.
2012 Reigning Rose Queen, and she was just in All-American Christmas. What did you think of the show tonight?
It was really good from what I got to see. I was downstairs in the dressing rooms for most of it, but I got to see parts of it, and it was a very nice show.
How does this benefit the community?
Well, right now we're packing up the cans to take them to the front, and all of these cans are going to go to people in Jackson who don't have food to eat, and they're going to local food banks and people in need.
You think you'll do it next year as you come back and help out next year?
Yeah, of course. I hope the show comes back next year.
Thank you, Kel. And this is Kelly Gooch.
Thanks.
Reigning Rose.